meet our gerbils. This is one of the last litters. The grandchildren of cats and jets. Children and grandchildren. We got 10 little babies in this cage, all with 4 limbs each. These guys are around. What do you think they are?
Legs and feet?
Yes, legs and arms. And these 2 mothers have had 2 litters each in the space of about 2 months. The earlier litter, of which none are in here right now, had a tragic experience involving some fiber bedding that entangled the legs of many of them, and 5 or 6 of them had amputated legs. But they're doing fine, and they're living in their new cages in other rooms. What's up?
It's so bad.
What?
At school, we got a new man rabbit, and they mated maybe. We think they did.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and because when they shred up all their newspaper,
Yeah?
they're making a nest for her babies.
Oh.
And then we think they mated because when she mates, she says that's enough, and she jumps out.
Oh, really? Out of the nest, you mean?
No, she jumps out of our circle because we made a circle and they mated
Oh.
there.
You mean they
And then-
mated outside of the cage? And you all watched them mate? What did they do?
It's just the same as these drills. The man jumps on top of the girl,
Oh.
but then
How long did it take?
it took like a second. Jumped on her and down, and then her down.
That was it?
Yep.
Cool. So how long does it take for the babies to get born?
30 days or something.
Ooh. Wow, that'll be exciting. How many rabbits do they have at one time?
I don't know.
More than one, you think?
Maybe.
What will they do with the babies?
They will take care of them.
The mom will, but
Yeah.
then what will happen?
Grow up.
Alex, take the water bottle out of the way so we can get a better look. Thanks. See if I can zoom in here.